Hello friends, welcome to the channel. I am Poonam Dua, and in this video we will come to know about different theories about language, how language actually originated when the human beings came into existence. They did have the need to communicate with each other, and how did they start initial communication? We will understand that with the help of all these theories. Let us proceed to the video now. Languages किस तरीके से originate हुई? This is what we will learn. When did the language begin and how did the language begin? There are many theories about it, about the origins of language. After various theories advanced to explain the origin of language, few are very well known. We will cover those few here in this video. These are our theories: the Bow Wow theory, the Ding Dong theory, the Lala theory, the Pooh-Pooh theory, the Gehiho theory, and the Tata theory. We will cover all these theories in detail. Please pick a pen and paper and keep noticing each and everything being told in this video. That will really help you out in your examination. First thing first, the Bow Wow theory seems like the barking of a dog, isn't it? This theory suggests that the first words were imitations of the natural sounds which early men and women heard around them. नेचर के जो भी साउंड्स अर्ली मैन और वीमेन ने, अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग्स ने अपने आसपास सुने, उनको इमिटेट करना शुरू कर दिया. जैसे कि first thing can be the barking of the dog or the chirping of the birds or the mewing of the cats. उन्हीं को कॉपी करके ह्यूमन बींग्स ने भी वो साउंड्स प्रोड्यूस करने शुरू किए, एंड स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली इट केम इनटू अ लैंग्वेज थ्योरी. नेक्स्ट थ्योरी, ये सभी स्पेकुलेशंस है. नोबडी कैन एक्चुअली कम टू नो कि व्हाट हैपेंड एंड हाउ डिड द लैंग्वेज ओरिजिनेट. दीज ऑल आर द स्पेकुलेशंस ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. The ding dong theory, the ding dong hypothesis. देखिए हम hypothesis word ही use करें. Basis the origins of language on onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia, अगर आप लोग literal devices से अच्छे से acquainted हैं, तो you must be knowing this term. Onomatopoeia is the literal device in which we associate with the sounds of the different object. This idea states that language began when humans started naming objects after a relevant sound. You can say they initially heard the object sounds like boom, crash, bang, and thump, and how this is how the language started originating initially after listening to the sounds of objects. Here comes the third one, the Lala theory. Lala, ऐसा लगता है ना कुछ गाना गाया जा रहा है. इसी theory को sing song theory भी कहा जाता है. The Danish linguist Otto Jespersen, नाम याद रखेंगे तो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. Otto Jespersen suggested that language may have developed from sounds associated with love, play, and especially song. Automatically human beings के voice system से humming sounds arise होते होंगे. This is how Lala theory came into existence. The Lala theory states that language was born of need to express love and poetry and music and singing. Here comes the Pooh-Pooh theory. The Popo theory, this is also speculative theory, that human language originated from emotional exclamation of pain, of pleasure, of surprise or any kind of feel जो कि बहुत ही दिल से express करना चाहते हैं. जैसे कि whenever we feel a pain, we feel like saying the words, oh, ouch, these kind of words. So surprise, pleasure, pain, इस तरीके की फीलिंग्स के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली कुछ अटरेंस होती होगी, एंड दिस इज हाउ द लैंग्वेज ओरिजिनेटेड. Next theory, the fifth one, Gehiho theory. Gehiho theory is kind of the sounds which are made by human beings while doing group physical exertion. बहुत सारे लेबर्स जब एक साथ मिलकर कुछ काम करते होंगे या कुछ भी heavy labor work, heavy human efforts work, तो इस तरीके के noises अपने आप utter हो जाते होंगे. This is exemplified by marching chants and working songs. एक साथ जब लोग मार्च करते हुए चैंट करते हैं, एक साथ जब लोग काम करते हुए कुछ चैंटिंग करते हैं, दैट इज हाउ वी प्रोड्यूस दीज काइंड ऑफ साउंड्स. यही हो, और हिंदी में कभी आपने हैया हो सुना होगा. तो उस तरीके के साउंड्स प्रोड्यूस किए जाते हैं जब बहुत सारे लेबर्स एक साथ मिलकर कोई काम कर रहे होते हैं. सो दिस इज द स्पेक्युलेटिव थियोरी अबाउट द फिजिकल एक्सर्शन. Here comes the Tata theory. The Tata theory says that टंग की मोमेंट्स बहुत बार ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाती होंगी while mimicking manual gestures. अगर आप किसी को गुड बाय कहना चाहते हो तो टंग will automatically utter some sound like Tata. उस साउंड पर ही बेस्ड है ये थियरी. A speculative theory that human language originated from using tongue movement to mimic manual gesture. And for example, the same thing, saying Tata is like waving goodbye with your tongue. This is how this theory must have originated, and we can only speculate actually. So these all 6 theories, along with the name, along with the description, along with the example, you need to mention in your examination, and you will surely score good. The Bow theory, the Ding Dong theory, the Lala theory, the Pooh-Pooh theory, the Gehiho theory, and the Tata theory. The emergence of language was a defining moment in the evolution of modern humans, and it was really an innovation that changed radically the character of humans. हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में अभी पढ़ा ही है कि ह्यूमन बीइंग सबसे ज्यादा प्रिविलेज्ड क्रीचर हैं, एंड वी हैव अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ह्यूमन एंड एनिमल लैंग्वेज. सो दिस इज हाउ ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज must have been originated. So that is it for this part of the video. We will keep on giving you further videos on this particular subject. Please keep watching the channel. You may join the classes to cover all the topics in detail. Can click the link in description to get admission in the academy. This number can be used only for admission purpose. Thanks a lot for watching. Best of luck for your exams, and please do not forget to share and subscribe the channel. A great best of luck to all of you for any of the upcoming exam and for your whole life as well.